Are you a corporate organization or individual planning to own an aircraft? Aircraft ownership can revolutionize your business by allowing you to command your time. Phoenix Aviation provides bespoke aircraft management solutions.
We do not subcontract any of our base maintenance, any of our line maintenance. It is all done by our engineers who are highly trained, manufacturer trained, and they maintain all our aircraft to the highest level you can find anywhere in the world.
Phoenix Aviation will walk with you through the process of identifying an aircraft that meets your needs, guide you through the process of acquisition, and manage all the complicated details of aircraft ownership. We will have your aircraft ready to fly when you want it, where you want it. In addition, whenever you may not be using your aircraft, our dedicated air charter team will charter the aircraft and generate revenue for you. This ensures the aircraft is an asset earning you revenue.
We keep the aircraft flying, keep the aircraft serviceable, and keep the aircraft in the air, flying safely. This is part of our business, and we support many customers in Kenya and outside Kenya. We run all the management for you. This is all that happens in the background in terms of scheduling, maintenance, cleaning, having it ready to fly when you want it to fly. We offer that as a service.